An 800 credit score isn't just a number, it's the key to 0% interest rates and saving thousands. You do not need to carry a balance to build credit. That's a myth. With 800 plus, you unlock the best rates on mortgages, auto loans, and premium cards. Over the life of a loan, the savings can be massive. Welcome to CardVantage. This guide works for the 2026 FICO models. Today I'm giving you a simple, clear, actionable plan. Use it to unlock the best financial opportunities. And remember, staying in debt is not required. Disclaimer, this content is for educational and informational purposes only, and not personal financial advice. Your situation is unique. For guidance tailored to you, consult a licensed financial advisor. With that said, let's put you in control of your credit future. Step by step, methodical progress. No tricks, just fundamentals anyone can implement. It's about smart habits and simple math. First, the 5 pillars behind your score. To build a skyscraper, you must first understand its foundation. The same is true for your credit score. FICO has 5 pillars, each with different weight. Focus where it matters most. Fix the big stuff first. Most important, payment history at 35%. Do you pay every bill on time? One late payment can drop your score dozens of points. This is non-negotiable, never miss. Second, amounts owed or utilization, 30%, 5,000 limit, 2,500 balance, 50% utilization. High utilization signals risk. Low utilization boosts scores fast. Length of credit history, 15%. It considers your oldest, newest, and average account ages. Credit mix, 10%. New credit, 10%. Too many applications too fast is a red flag. Now, let's bury a stubborn myth once and for all. One of the most damaging myths is that you must carry a balance to build credit. People think paying in full shows no usage. False. Let's be perfectly clear, this is completely false. You never need to pay interest to build stellar credit. Issuers report your statement balance to bureaus, then your on-time payment posts. This strengthens the most important factor, payment history. Who is safer? A pays 500 back in full, or B carries it and pays minimums. Person A shows control. Person B signals risk. Your mantra, charge only what you can afford, and pay the statement balance in full by the due date. That saves you interest and builds a perfect track record. Ready for a powerful optimization? AZEO, all 0 except 1. Master this and watch your score accelerate. Before we get to the advanced utilization hacks, here is a shortcut for speed. If your credit file is thin, you can piggyback on someone else's good habits. This is the authorized user strategy. Ask a parent or partner with a pristine credit history and a high-limit card to add you as an authorized user. You get a card with your name, but you don't even need to use it. Here is the magic. The entire history of that account, its age, its limit, and its perfect payment record, gets copied onto your credit report. Suddenly a 10-year-old account appears on your file. Your average age increases. Your total credit limit jumps. Your utilization drops. But warning, pick the right person. If they miss a payment or max out the card, it hurts your score too. Trust is key. But when done right, this is the fastest way to jumpstart an 800 journey. AZEO stands for all 0 except 1, a utilization strategy. Utilization is 30% of your score. It's fast acting. What reports in the next 30 to 45 days matters. Core idea. All cards report 0 except one small balance. How small? 1 to 3% of that card's limit. 5,000 limit. Target $150 or less. FICO rewards low overall utilization, while one active card shows responsible use. It's the best of both worlds. You appear in control, not reliant on debt. Step 1. List all cards, limits, and statement closing dates. Step 2. Use cards normally. Step 3. Before close, pay all but one card to 0. Step 4. Let a tiny balance report on your chosen card. Step 5. When the bill arrives, pay it in full to avoid interest. Repeat monthly to keep utilization optimized for top-tier scores. Next, timing is everything. To master AZEO, understand the ratio and the timing. Utilization counts per card and overall weighs more. Total balances divided by total limits times 100. For 800 plus, keep overall under 10%. ideally lower. Example, 3 cards, 5, 10, and 2,000 limits. Total limits, 17,000. You report 150 on card A, others at 0. Overall utilization, 0.88%, near perfect. Bureaus see balances on the statement closing date. Timing matters. Pay down before close to control what reports. Set calendar reminders a few days ahead for each card. For the one active card, land in the 1 to 3% sweet spot. Japki. We talked about lowering your balance. Now let's talk about raising your ceiling. The math of utilization is a fraction, balance divided by limit. You can improve your score by paying down debt, or by increasing your credit limit. Requesting a credit limit increase, or CLI, is a power move. But you must be strategic. Most major issuers in 2026 allow you to request a limit increase online without a hard pull. This means it won't hurt your credit score to ask. If you have a $5,000 limit and are spending $1,000, you are at 20% utilization. If you get that limit raised to $10,000, that same spending drops you to 10% utilization instantly. Call your bank or check your app every 6 months. Ask specifically, will this request result in a hard inquiry? If the answer is no, go for it. Higher limits make it easier to maintain that perfect AZEO ratio effortlessly. Next, grow your history the smart way. Length of history is a slow burn. 15%. Lenders value long, stable credit experience. Keep old credit card accounts open, even if rarely used. Closing your oldest account can cut your average age and your score. 10-year and 2-year cards average to 6 years. Close the old one, and you drop to 2, expect a dip. Put a small recurring charge on older cards and set autopay in full, keeps them active and aging. If an old card has a big annual fee, ask for a product change to a no-fee card to preserve history. You keep the age and remove the fee. Next, handling hard inquiries. We covered history, but what about the new credit pillar? This makes up 10% of your score. Every time you apply for a loan or card, lenders do a hard pull. This typically drops your score by 2 to 5 points. Don't panic, this is temporary. Here is the timeline you need to know for 2026. Hard inquiries stay on your report for 2 years. However, FICO only factors them into your score for the first 12 months. After 1 year, they are visible but don't hurt your number. To hit 800, avoid credit-seeking behavior. Don't apply for 5 cards in 1 month. That screams risk. Space your applications out, at least 6 months apart. This lets your score recover and keeps that new credit pillar strong. Next, disputes for rapid gains. Your reports feed your score. Errors mean wrong scores. Mistakes happen more than you think. Under the FCRA, bureaus must investigate disputes. Pull free reports from all 3 bureaus and the official site. Read every line. Do not just check your score. Use the online portals. Be clear and concise. For example, the 30-day late in July 2025 on my Capital One account is incorrect. The account was paid on time. Attach proof to speed resolution. Bureaus have about 30 days to investigate. If they can't verify, it must be removed. Scores can jump fast. Monitor reports and dispute promptly to maintain elite scores. Finally, your action plan. Theory is valuable, but action creates results. Start today, January 16, 2026. Build steadily toward 800. Be patient. Trust the process. Exceptional scores come from disciplined habits. First, pull your reports. Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Read carefully and mark obvious errors. Next, list every card with limits, current balances, and statement dates. Turn on autopay at least for the minimum, your safety net. This month, fully implement AZEO. Pay all but 1 card to 0 before close. Keep the reporting card under 3%. Consider a limit increase. Same spend, lower utilization. Avoid new applications during this push. Continue AZEO for 3 months. Watch the trend. Always pay on time. Keep utilization low. Keep old accounts. And check reports twice a year. If you found value in this video, hit that like button and subscribe to CardVantage for next week's guide on starter cards.